In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the number counters glitch. You might have seen, when you're using your number counters in your game, it's just going to the side. It's not staying in the middle, just going to the side. Bye-bye. So I'm just going to take out this length of thing, put score, and then put the divider thing. Now after this, it's going to actually work better. It's just going to go straight into the middle. It's locked into the middle. But if we didn't do this, it wouldn't be locked into the middle. This is going to be so much easier for your games. And yeah, when I slide it, the score is just going side by side and it's staying in the middle. No number is going to the side. It's staying in the middle. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you next time.